Hello everyone. This is the actual jeans sample we received.
Let us first check the front side fitting.
Here, front crotch is too tight, so fabric is pulling.
Also, thigh area is tight and restricting movement.
Now let us check the back side. Seat area is pulling under the pocket. And we can see leg twisting issue here. This diagram shows a common jeans fit problem, leg twisting. Watch as diagonal wrinkles form along the inseam, indicating the fabric is twisting. This visual cue helps identify where to adjust the pattern. To correct the pulling, shift the inseam line 0.5 centimeters forward. This straightens the curve, removing excess fabric for a clean alignment. The adjustment is complete, resolving the fit issue. The problem is over-tapering in the thigh and crotch. This causes tightness and pulling. The solution is to add thigh expansion and crotch extension. This ensures a comfortable fit. To address tight thighs, extend the knee line by 1 centimeter on both the front and back pattern pieces. This simple adjustment creates the necessary ease for comfortable movement.
The back crotch curve is too flat, causing fabric to pull and feel tight in the thighs and crotch. This flat curve needs adjustment to improve comfort and fit.
To fix the tight crotch and thigh, raise the center back waist by 0.5 centimeter. This adds seat ease, reducing pulling and improving the fit. Apply this adjustment to your pattern. The tilted grain line on the left causes the fabric to twist. Rotating it to vertical corrects the pattern. Remember to keep the grain line straight to avoid twisting.